Welcome to Meter Chalk Talks. I'm Dr. Colin Campbell, Research Scientist at Meter Group, and today we'll be talking about managing irrigation in potatoes. Potatoes are particularly sensitive to water. Under-irrigation will cause stunted plant growth, poor tuber development, and even yield loss. But over-irrigation can be just as damaging, lowering tuber quality and increasing diseases. It can also cause leaching of water and plant nutrients below the root zone, which wastes money. So growers have to be particularly vigilant to make sure potatoes get the right amount. The problem is that this optimal range is often poorly understood. It's logical that a water content sensor would help. It can be straightforward to determine how much soil water is lost and needs to be replaced by irrigation. But water content does not indicate if water is available to the plants. Consider this example from potatoes grown in a silt loam soil in southern Idaho. Water content data from the 6 sites in this 50-acre field don't indicate that there are any problems. In fact, the water content only changes a few percent across the entire season. But as we see here, a careful look at the soil water tension, or MATRIC potential, shows that 3 out of the 6 locations in the field have dropped below the optimal zone and are in stress or even wilting. Though this problem with the water tension might be explained away as anomalies in the soil, the length of time spent in the stressed or wilting tension range took its toll on the crop, as we can see here. Accurate yield monitoring was able to show that potatoes grown in areas of stress can be directly tied to yield losses of up to 25%. Not to mention the impacts on the quality. In the second year of this work, the grower led the effort to install water content and MATRIC potential or tension sensors in 7 individual potato fields. The water content across the season is shown here. Like the individual field in the last example, the water content trends only range from 3 to 5% and are still difficult to interpret with respect to plant comfort. But the added tension or MATRIC potential data show improved water management, which resulted in increased yields and lower water use. So if you're focused on improving yields while lowering water and nutrient inputs, keep your water content sensors around to know how much water to add, but find out what you've been missing by adding soil water tension. Like the thermostat in your house, it will tell you if your plants are comfortable and enhance your ability to manage your water.